Today's question is first unique number. You have a queue of integer. You need to retrieve the first unique integer in the queue. Implement first unique class, and inside this first unique class, first unique int nums initialize the object with the number in the queue. And second function is int show first unique. And inside this first unique, return the value of the first unique integer of the queue and return -1 if there is no such integer. And third function is void add int value. Insert value to the queue. So now we will understand this problem with this example 1. So let's move to the pen and paper. So as you can see in the below there is input, and now we'll take it. First input key is 235, and S denote for so the first unique, and A denote for add is first SO, and A for add. Okay, so now we will take two data structure. One is set to store unique value and checking the unique value, and another is dictionary, retrieve first element with order of one time. So that's why I take a dictionary. So basically in our coding implementation, I take it as a order dictionary to maintain the order. So first we will insert 2, 3, 5 inside the queue into the set as well as the dictionary. So first is 2, 3, 5. We will put it in the set as well as dictionary. As you can see, there is no value. Initially there is no value. First we check there is a, if 2 is matched, no 2 is matched, 3 is not there, and 5 is also not there, and key is 2 and value is none. You can take the value as 1, or you can add 1 plus 1. So here I take the value as none to improve my time complexity. And now we'll just perform with the S function. S means show the first number. So now we'll simply check the dictionary is empty, this is not empty, then we will simply show the first value. First value is 2, so we simply return the 2. So 2 is our first value. So now we again check add. There is another input is add 5. So before adding any element, we check in set there is present 5 is present, so we simply remove it from our dictionary. If it is present in set, then we will remove it from dictionary. I hope you understand it. So now our second function is so again our first element in this dictionary is 2, so we return 2 as our output. And now our third operation is add 2. So we check in set 2 is present, so simply we delete 2 from our dictionary. If the value is present in set, we delete it from dictionary, because maintain the first element with the less time complexity. So now our first element is 3. So now again operation is so we return the first value in the dictionary, this is 3. So which before showing any value, we check the dictionary is empty or not. If dictionary is empty, we simply return -1. So again we add 3. So 3 is present in set, so we simply remove the 3 from our dictionary. And our last operation is so as you can see, there is no element present. First we check before showing any value, we check the dictionary is, if dictionary is empty, we simply return -1. As you can see, there is no value in our dictionary, so we simply return -1 as our output. According to these questions, we return -1 when there is no such element in our dictionary. So our answer is here -1. So I hope you understand it. If you have any doubts, please comment below. I will help you as soon as possible. And let's move to the coding part. From collection, we import order dictionary. So as I already told you in our explanation, we'll take two data structure. One is set and another is dictionary. Here I import order dictionary. Self or this inside this constructor we declare the order dictionary, and the self dot s is set, and now we check for I. So in nums, so as I already said, in first there is a number of queue. So then we add it in our dictionary as well as set with this condition: if value not in set, self.s means set, and we add it in our set as well as in our dictionary. If it is not present in our set, okay, else if it is present, we pop out from our dictionary. Self dot od dot pop value comma none. I hope this is clear. And then we check if len dictionary, if len dictionary equals to 0, means there is no element in this dictionary, means dictionary is empty. Simply we return -1. If dictionary is not empty, we return the first element for I in self.od, and we return I. I here is first element. We iterate the dictionary and we return the first value. Only iterate one time. So this is order of 1. So we run it and running successfully and submit it, and got accepted. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching this video.